We've completely reorganized our engineering department to be much more AI first, which, if you think about it, the old way that an engineering department was built, it isn't, you have to retrofit it to in the age of AI. So we spend a lot of time doing that, and we can now build software at phenomenal speeds. And marketing, obviously, like the biggest opportunity tends to be in digital, and the digital team that I have has been doing some really really cool shit. I'll give some examples. Like they built a workflow where effectively you can like take a white paper or a threat report. You can dump it in the front of this, and it'll generate a webinar. So effectively, like it'll identify who the speaker should be. It'll write the brief. It'll write the questions that you should have. It will then schedule out the dates that you need to prepare for the webinar, et cetera. So like, at like webinars, one of the first things I did as a marketer, right? That's a week's worth of work, that you spend 3 or 4 hours a day. You have to call the people, hey, can you do this, blah, blah, blah. It's been boiled down to like, I don't know exactly, but like, let's say an hour's worth of work. Sure, it has to be vetted. Nothing coming out of this is perfect. That's one example. Another example that's really cool is that we've hired this SEO agency that effectively writes a shit ton of content that we effectively ghost link, right? So we don't put everything like directly on the blog or even navigable on the website, but then it allows obviously the machines to crawl all the content that we've created, and then depending on how effective it is, we'll make it navigable or make the content better and better over time. Now, I think anyone who's ever dealt with this knows that you see the benefits of SEO like 3 quarters, 4 quarters after you start, right? We started seeing an uptick in traffic, significant quality uptick in traffic within a quarter. Like the speed at which we started seeing results was astounding. And then because of that, this is a piece of this, but because of that, our organic traffic and demo request numbers just went through the roof. So like the speed at which you can see results through doing old-fashioned ways of marketing through AI are really profound, right? So that's just a couple of the things that I've been really fascinated by what the team has been able to do. They're probably, if they would watch this, they'd probably be like, he doesn't even understand all of the cool shit we're doing. But the fact that we're allowed to, and not only allowed to, but are expected to, has allowed the team to do some really, really fun stuff.